Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, what are the messages for you and what's going on. I think someone is coming towards you to offer this cup of love to you. They are in very slow moving energy, but this could be a past person. For some it could be a new person, but with combining this, I think you know about this person already because they're coming back with an apology, some communication. For some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, but someone is coming to offer this cup of love to you, Cancer. So let's see, we're reading recent past, the Star, Wheel of Fortune and Nine of Wands. So things are started turning out into your favor. There are some positive shifts coming into your life because the Star with Wheel of Fortune, everything in divine timing. Divine timing plays key role in your life because the Star with Wheel of Fortune, I think you are guarded up right now. You are protecting your emotions from someone because Nine of Wands energy, you are defensive and you are guarded up right now, but you are thinking about someone or something a lot. That was past. Then present, Seven of Cups, Nine of Cups and Justice. So you are in some confusion. You have to make some decision, but you are confused. You are indecisive about to make some decision. And Nine of Cups with Wheel of Fortune, definitely your wishes are going to be granted. So Justice, someone is returning for second chances, but you stand by your power. You are very grounded. But you want to cut off this person from your life because Nine of Wands with Justice. Maybe there is no trust between both of you. Maybe for some there are trust issues between both of you, but you are confused. You are in so much confusion. Maybe they are always giving you false hope regarding this relationship. Maybe they are non-committal on and off connection. And future energies, Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands and Six of Swords. So you are still juggling. You are in juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make, and you are thinking something or someone a lot. And Two of Wands energy, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Six of Swords, maybe for some you decided to move on from this person, but someone is coming back with an apology. For some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but Aquarius or Libra more. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Cancer, let's see your person feelings towards you. Devil, maybe this person is toxic for you. This is very dark energy. That's why you decided to move on because there is no commitment. Maybe your person have options. They keep putting you in waiting mode because Seven of Pentacles with Seven of Cups and the Hermit. So maybe they're not talking to you right now. They're spiritually awakening, but they're obsessed with you. They're thinking about you a lot. This is one group, but another group, your person may be waiting. Maybe they're fantasizing about you a lot. And they're undergoing some spiritual awakening and they're obsessed with you. For some, this person is really toxic for you. So let's see their actions. Maybe they always keep their options open. They are very career focused also. Yeah, they are also juggling. And Two of Swords and Ten of Wands. Maybe right now your person feeling overburdened due to family and work pressure. So Ace of Swords, communication is coming, and Nine of Pentacles with Two of Swords. Maybe they want, for some your person is already financially stable. For some they are working towards their career and goals. And Two of Swords, still they are at some crossroads. Maybe your person have options. Yeah, that's why you decided to move on, because there is no commitment. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. But you are moving on, but they can't let you go because they are very attracted to you. Again, there is no commitment here. Again, Knight of Wands energy with the Fool. They want to be with you, but there is no commitment. They are very attracted to you, but there is a lot of passion, but there is no commitment. That's why you decided to move on. But they're coming back for second chance, and they want a brand new beginnings with you. And Seven of Wands, they will fight for your attention. But you stand by your power and you are very grounded. Yeah, for some a new person is also coming towards you to offer their love. King of Cups. I think for some two persons coming. Yeah, I think your person is coming back with an apology. So you know your person very well more than me. If they are toxic, leave them. If they are putting you third party, leave them. If there are small disturbances, it is okay, but they're putting you, they're playing games with you, two persons, then there is no point to give another chance. There is no point to wait for them. Yeah, for some they're coming back for reconciliation, your person. The Page of Cups with the Sun. Yeah, they're coming back, but if they offer commitment, I don't know, but they're coming back because the Devil is here. Still your person is confused. So let's see your overall energy, Cancer, for the week. Yeah, they're coming back. Apology is coming. Maybe decision is in your hands against it. Devil, this person is toxic for you. For some, maybe for some you decided to cut off this person from your life. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Three of Wands, waiting mode, and Knight of Swords. Yeah, communication is coming, and Queen of Wands and Ten of Wands. Right now your person feeling overburdened. They're missing you. And Queen of Wands, your person is also very passionate about you. They are also very attractive person, very creative person also. But the decision is in your hands, Cancer. They can't let you go easily because they're obsessed with you. They are very attracted to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But they're confused. Maybe your person have options also. So they treated you as an option. They're keeping you as an option. There is no point to wait for this person. According to me, then it's up to you. Communication is coming. Yes. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I fantasize about you. Text is coming. And I want to be honest with you. Wow. Long distance relationship for some. So the messages are they fantasize about you. They are afraid to tell you how they feel. And they want to be with you. Communication is coming and text is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Cancer. show the world the real you. So show the world the real you means share your feelings, share your emotions with your person, don't hide. Okay, especially when full moon in Aquarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.